Hey guys, I showed you guys how to make your own audio on Musically, and I'll show you right now. And you see guys, I show you how to make your own audio right here, right there. And today I'm going to show you how to make your original sound. So for this you're just going to need Musically. So you're going to go to Musically and don't mind, no wait, let me just put the music down. And you can choose like any music, so like let me choose mine. Like well, let's choose a different one because it's already mine. So like go to any pop music or like no. So press that and press the music like you normally do, and then you're gonna.
Do you want help shooting the people or not?
You can film it or not film it. I just put my hand. Let me put it in speed that way. Like. Save it private. Once you save the private, you're probably gonna want to do this. You're gonna find it. Find the one that you had. Save it to your gallery. Anything you want, just to put a smile on it. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so. Save private. And then you're probably gonna go to from library. Wait, go from library for video. And this is the one. You find the one that you did. But it has the name on it. Okay? Put it private again. And what you want to do now is, since you have it in your own audio, you're gonna go to your privates. And you don't want the name on it. Go to the name. And then see guys, I'm gonna get your camera. See, and like you say private, and it's not your own original sound, even though you got it from someone else. So that's it for you today, guys, and hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye bye.